Good morning everyone. So today I will be answering some problems. Problem 43, problem 44, 47, 51, and 56. So in problem 43, the problem is what is the first derivative of y is equals to secant squared theta minus tan squared theta. So a is 0, b is 1, c is 2 tan squared theta, and d is 2 secant squared theta. So here the solution is the identity of secant squared theta minus 1 minus tan squared theta is equals to 1. So the derivative of secant squared theta minus tangent squared theta is equals to d over d theta times 1. So the derivative of 1 is always 0. So the derivative is of constant is always 0. So the answer is letter A. So next, in problem 44, the problem is what is the derivative of y equals sine 5x? So A is negative 5 cos 5x, B 5 secant 5x, C 5 cos 5x, and D is cos 5x. So here the solution is d over d is dx sine 5x is equals to 5 cos 5x. So first, the derivative of sine is cosine, and the derivative of u which is 5x is 5. So just simplify it, you will get 5 cos 5x. So the final answer is letter C, 5 cos 5x. So next is the problem 47. So the problem is what is the derivative of y equals to negative cotangent 5x? So letter A is negative 5 cos squared 5x, with letter B is negative 5 secant squared 5x. Letter C is 5 cosecant squared 5x, and letter D is negative 5 cosecant squared 5x. So here the solution is d over dx x times negative cotangent 5x is equals to the derivative of cotangent is cosecant squared, negative cosecant squared, which is naman tayo negative daan, so igawas na to ang negative. Then the derivative of 5x is 5, so just simplify, negative times negative, may mo siyang positive. So nakay 5 cosecant squared 5x. So ang atong answer diri is letter C here. So next in problem 51, the problem is the cost. The cost of a product is a function of the quantity of the product. So if C of x is equivalent to x squared minus 4000x plus 10, what is the quantity of x for which the cost is minimum? So A is 500, B is 1500, C is 2000, D is 2500, and so that's it. So the solution is since the since the equation is quadratic, so we'll use the ax squared plus bx plus c. So we just have to derive this. So the first derivative of ax squared is 2a. The derivative of bx is b, and derivative of c is 0. So, transpose nato siya. So, mahimo siya x is equivalent to negative b na siya over 2a. So, uh, so i-substitute na nato siya. Ang value sa atong b is 4,000. Ang value nato sa a is 1. May 1. So, by using calculator, simplify na nato, makakatag 2,000. So, ang atong answer diri is letter C yan po. 2,000. So lastly, number 56, to evaluate the integral of ex over 1 plus e squared x dx. So a is 1 half ln 1 plus e to the power of 2x plus c. Letter b is ln 1 plus e to the power of 2x plus c. And c is arctan e to the power of 2x plus c. And d is arctan e to the power of x plus c. So solution here is let u is equals to ax ni ax. Then ang first derivative sa atong ax is EX ra gyapon. So, if ingani yung forma, integral of 1/1 plus u squared du. So, automatic, inverse tangent na siya. So, arctan u plus c. So, arctan ng atong u is e. So, substitute ra na to. So, arctan ex plus c. Mo niya atong answer. So, ang answer here is letter D. That would be all. Thank you.